Super slow motion is a great way to add an instant wow factor to your productions. It allows you to create breathtaking replays and highlights that increase the intensity and the emotion of live moments. However, the usage of super slow motion cameras is usually reserved for a few carefully selected angles, mainly due to size and cost constraints. You also need to support the high frame rate live feeds, including licenses for which not everyone has the budget. Now, imagine being able to easily increase your super slow motion coverage without the need for high frame rate cameras. XtraMotion makes it possible. The AI-based service, designed for EVS ecosystems, which can be deployed on-prem or as a cloud service, lets you create super slow-motion replays from virtually any camera feed during live or post-production. It also allows you to further slow down images generated by super slow-motion cameras without stuttering. Once activated on demand, EVS replay operators can trigger clips to be rendered by XtraMotion with a simple touch of a button and play them back with the desired frame rate seconds after. The transformation of clips into high-speed video is achieved by using frame interpolation, a process which uses EVS machine learning algorithms to generate intermediate frames between the existing ones. As a result, the super slow motion effect can easily be applied to any type of footage. You can even use XtraMotion on archived content recorded years ago to further enhance your storytelling. It's time to take your replays to the next level. Add a touch of magic with XtraMotion.